Here's this lovely little building I woke up in this morning. The roof with moss growing on it, and I love this little connection it has with the crabapple trees around it. In one sense, it's hard on a building to be like this close to its foundation to living trees, but if you build a building that's going to move and flex a little bit without damaging, you find that you have the ability to bring in nature nice and close and tight to the building. And it does this lovely thing that it wraps you in nature. These little arches kind of let a space behind them open up to you. And little buildings that are also part of a kind of a courtyard wall that make their own wall. And it feels kind of like a village. Little outdoor kitchen here. More like a place to sit and eat your lunch and have a snack. Not like really a place to do canning or try to make a huge meal, but you don't need that if you've got a kitchen down the ways a bit. It's still nice to be able to like make yourself some tea that doesn't require a full kitchen. But tea does seem to require like a space to sit and contemplate. I love this little arch here brought to you by this curved tree. It was harvested on site. There's a lot of wood here that just kind of got left, chopped and slashed and piled by the loggers who stripped the place of anything of commercial value, meaning big and fat, straight. And so if you have an idea for using a curved piece of wood to good effect, there's plenty of it left. I'll go explore this some more. Stay tuned.